Okay, I've got a roller for fiberglass here, and as you can see, it's been well used over the years. But the problem is, it doesn't roll anymore. It's stuck. There was just enough resin in here to free it up. Now there's a screw in the end that you can turn, but you can't turn it right now because it's froze up. So if you have the ones with the nylon, you're not going to be able to fix it like I want to show you. But being metal, this one worked just fine. You just grab you a propane torch. Get the fire going. Burn all that excess off of it. And you get that's the fiberglass fans there. If you see where there's residue on it that's burning, and you don't want to burn it too much that it melts because it is aluminum. Okay, let's see if that worked. Freeze it up just nice, and then should be able to even well, obviously it's hot, so I don't want to take that. But you can get that screw undone. Because it's just a screw in the end of it. And then that whole thing slides off, and you can actually clean up the rod a little better. I don't really want to. I don't have anything to. I'll just use a couple rags. Now you can use a wire brush or something to clean all that up. You can even use a torch to burn down in through there. And then you just saved a tool for just a few pennies. But like I said, you can't do it with the nylon ones. You'll melt that. Those are pretty much disposable. Anyway, I just thought I'd share a tip that I had to use. And thanks for watching.